Welcome back, guys. I'm KP from the KP and Genoj show, and today I'm going to teach you guys how to measure for sheetrock and other surface area material very easily. First, you're going to need a tape measure and a calculator. You can use your phone. I'll show you how to do it on your phone. I've already pre-measured this room, so I'm just going to be going over numbers right quickly. The room that I'm standing in, north to south, is 13 feet. East to west is 11 feet. So what we're going to do is multiply 11 by 13, and that gives us 143. So we know that the square footage of this room is 143 square feet. So with that being said, we know this wall is 13, this wall is 11, and we know the height. This is where it gets tricky. The height of this room is 8 feet. So to get the actual area of this room, as far as the wall area, we're not talking about the ceiling yet. We're going to add 13 plus 13 plus 11 plus 11. That's our 4 walls. So we have 48. Now we take this 48 and multiply it by 8. That gives us 384 square feet of wall space. Now once we have that, we know we're going to use 4 by 8 feet boards of sheetrock. If you multiply 4 by 8, that's just 32. So we know that each board is covering 32 square feet of this. So what we're going to do is divide this 384 by 32. That gives us 12 boards that we're going to need for the 4 walls in this room. The next thing we have to do is measure for the ceiling. Rewind, I said it was 143 square feet for the surface area, the floor, the square footage of the room. So we know that it's 143 divided by that magic number 32, and it gives us 4.48, which is 4.5 more boards. So we got 12 for the wall and 4.5 for the ceiling. So that gives us 16.5 boards to cover this room with sheetrock. So that's a quick way to measure for sheetrock.